Ever had an idea you knew was good, but the tech, the setup, the 15 steps between you and the goal made you freeze? You either dive into a rabbit hole or give up. Let me show you a third option, how I solved it as I went, using AI. I needed a system to actually capture my video ideas as they evolved, not just notes, but the whole messy journey. GPT chats, breakthroughs, screenshots, links, files, all of it. Here's how I built it live, step by step, not perfectly, but piece by piece. I didn't have a clear plan at the start, just a feeling that this system needed to exist. Every step came from asking questions, testing ideas, and adjusting on the fly. It wasn't about getting it perfect. It was about keeping the momentum going and letting the process shape itself. Now, I've got a system that thinks like I do. Every time I solve something with AI, a script, an automation, a breakthrough, it gets logged. The content writes itself. You don't have to know it all before you begin. You just need a system that lets you build as you learn. Start messy, stay curious. The rest works itself out.